This land is holy. Every step a prayer.
Me rise with sun and kiss the dirt. Me give thanks even when it hurt. Each leaf and stone beneath my feet remind me Jah make all complete. This not just land, this life, this breath, this soil been touched by love and death. Me no walk careless, me no play around. Me plant my heart in sacred ground. Sacred ground, me walk with care. Me feel Jah presence everywhere. From mountain top to valley deep, this earth Jah give and it me keep. Yes, my soul it read. Them dig it up, them sell them tears, but Jah still dwell in forest here. Me find my temple in the trees, me bow before the humming bees. No steeple tall, no priest in gown. Me hear Jah voice in river sound, and every raindrop falling down, it bless again this sacred ground. Sacred ground, me kneel and pray before me work, before me play. Me plant me seed with overstand. The soil is Jah's, not just me hand. Oh Jah, me feel the land. Let the dub rise like mountain fog. Let the chime sing with croak of frog. Nyabinghi heartbeat in the clay. This ground still chant what prophets say. So when me pass, me ask one plea. Bury me where roots run free. No concrete bed, no polished stone, just earth and breeze and leave me alone. Let children dance where me did lie. Let trees grow tall into the sky. My body gone but still surround. My spirit part of sacred ground. Sacred ground forever be the link between the earth and me. Me no own but me protect with all my soul and full respect. Yes, Jah, me walk direct. Before you run, stop. Listen where you stand. Every land is holy land. Like a tree, the roots run deep. Still I stand, still I keep faith in Jah through storm and strife. Me grow strong like the tree of life. Me planted long before my birth. My roots sink deep into the earth. Through drought and storm I still survive. My branches stretch, my leaves alive. No man can move what Jah did grow. Me bend in wind but never low. From seed to stem, from root to crown. My spirit rise, me nah back down. Like a tree of life, me stand tall. Even when the rain them fall. From root to fruit, me carry light. My soul grows strong in Jah's skies. Yes, Jah, my tree of life. My tree of life. Me no chase glitter, me chase sun. Me soak up love from everyone. Me no fight shadow, me shine bright. Me feed me soul with truth and light. Some get lost in concrete maze, but I man shine through morning haze. tree grows slow, but Jah know best. My leaf gives shade to ones in need. My trunk stands strong through every creed. Me no boast, but me exist as witness to Jah love persist. So when you feel your spirit low, come rest beneath this tree and grow. For every soul got space to climb and blossom in Jah perfect time. Like a tree of life, but still bloom, even in Babylon gloom. Me rise each day with peace inside. My branches wide, my roots can't hide. Ooh, Jah, me stand in pride. towers made of stone, but I rise with roots alone. No palace high, no kingdom grand can move the truth where I now stand. I've seen the lies that wear a crown, I've heard the silence break me down, but in the quiet I heard a sound, Jah whispered deep beneath the ground. So I stand in the light, even when the world feels night. One drop beat in my soul, reggae fire keep me whole. Ooh, Jah, you make I bold. I don't follow where money leads, I sow the word, I plant the seed. They chase shadows, feed their pride, but I chant and stay inside. This heart, no fear, no evil path. It beat with thunder, burn with wrath. Not of hate, but holy flame, to cleanse the soul, not bring shame. So I stand in the light, even when the world feels night. With my drum and sacred song, I've been righteous all along. Yes, I stand strong. Echo deep like river cry, skank it slow beneath Jah sky. Let the bassline pull you near, chant down every wicked fear. I walk alone, but not alone. Jah is the rock, the cornerstone. When the storm comes, test my way, I kneel and still give thanks and pray. This journey long, the road is steep, but Rasta's soul will never sleep. We shine like sun, we bloom like tree. From chains to chants, we're finally free. So I stand in the light, even when the world feels night. Rastafari be my guide, with our soul I never hide. Ooh, Jah, lift me high. No shadow, no fear, stand firm. Jah near, yes I.
Easy now, let it flow. There's a river inside, let Jah love guide. There's a river inside our soul, flowing deep, flowing bold. It now makes sound like thunder loud, but it shape mountains, break the cloud. Me no need no map to ride, me just follow the stream inside. Me trust the current, me trust Jah tide. It carry I where truth reside. Like a river inside, me move slow. Through hills, through pain, me still grow. Me no fight, me just glide. Me hold your hand and let it slide. Yes, the river never dry. Them build dam, them block my way, but my spirit still find a way. Me carve through stone with silent mind. We shine in dark, no need for light. We learn from roots, from breeze, from rain, from joy, from loss, from sacred pain. We bend but never break our high. Me guided by the river inside. Like a river inside, me stay true, flowing with love in all I do. Me no stuck, me no bound, me float with life, Jah keep I sound. current in your chest. Let it cleanse, let it bless. No need to rush, just ride the stream. In Jah River we dream. So when the world get dry and rough, but flow through calm, my heart stay tough. Me not drown in what them say, but trust your voice to show the way. The river whisper truth so clear. Don't fear the storm, just steer. And even when I slip or slide, still flowing deep, my river inside. Like a river inside, me keep peace. From dawn to dusk, me never cease. Me overflow with love so wide. My journey long, but Jah me guide. Yes, Jah, my river is life. Me flow in silence, but my strength is loud. My river deep, my spirit proud.
Before so me walk with care. Every root tell a story. Me no plant myself in empty ground. Me grow where mighty souls were found. Them chant before me even cry. Them hold the fire, them lift it high. Me not pretend me start the flame. Me carry forward Jah holy name. Me every step, me every plea is built upon the roots before me. Roots before me, standing strong, guiding I through right and wrong. Through shadow deep and history, me walk with love and dignity. Yes, Jah, me trod respectfully. Them never had no gold nor throne, but still them build Jah truth alone. With barefoot and callous hand, them shape the spirit of this land. Me no forget them sacrifice. Them pay the price, them roll the dice. Me no walk blind, me eyes can see, because of roots that carried me. Roots before me, echo deep. In every prayer before me sleep. In every song the soul release. Them chants still bring me heart to peace. Jah, your roots increase. Let the rhythm roll like mountain breeze. Let the dub speak what spirit sees. Nyabinghi drums in sacred key. The roots still chant eternally. So me give thanks and me stay low. Me let Jah one beside me flow. Me build me life on truth and grace. Me never spit on elders' face. Me carry banner high, not loud. Me walk with roots, me walk unbowed. And when me gone, me hope they see me too became a root finally. Roots before me, now me part of living chain of beating heart. Me plant me seed with overstand. So next you'd rise and take my hand. Yes, I me root in Jah land. Honor the ones who made the way. Me now walk for self. Me walk for y'all. But I walk with steady feet. The fruits of Babylon taste nice, but carry curse beneath the spice. I sight the trap behind the screen, gold chains, false kings, living mean. But Rootsman know what real feels like. Ital fire, coconut and mic. Roots never lie, truth never die. Even when the system try, we hold firm, we chant and fly. Lift your head and trot just sky. Ooh yeah, we come from high. Them talk fast but empty still. I move slow with jazz will. Every leaf and every tree speak creation symphony. Rasta not deal with vanity, we build with love and clarity. No fame can pay what peace can give. It's not just breathe, it's how we live. Roots never lie, truth never die. Even when the system try, we hold firm, we chant and fly. Lift your head and trot just sky. Selassie I, guide I and I. Dub it low, chant it loud. Roots vibration shake the cloud. From Zion gate to ocean shore, we sing what Babylon ignored. Granny teach me plant and pray, give thanks for each and every day. She never read no preacher's book, but teach me how the heavens look. So I man carry what she gave, from dirt below to sunset wave. The truth is deep beneath our feet, in every drum, in every beat. Roots never lie, truth never die. Even when the system try, from ancient hills to modern cry, Jah word forever multiply. Ooh Jah, truth always rise. Rise, rise. Truth in the root, and the root in the eye.
The sound of the sea, palm trees dancing just for me. Coffee strong and the sunlight high, no worries here under the island sky. Barefoot walking through the sand, freedom's ringing in this land. Every step a melody, feel the rhythm, come with me. Let's ride the breeze, just you and me. No clocks, no plans, just be free. Island dreams and ocean skies, with reggae love we rise so high. Ooh yeah, we rise so high. Steel drums playing by the shore, smiles and laughter, nothing more. Hearts unchained, we let it go, moving slow, letting the good vibes flow. Colorful sunsets paint the sea, as night falls on this harmony. Stars above and peace inside, together we enjoy the ride. Let's ride the breeze, just you and me. No clocks, no plans, just be free. Island dreams and ocean skies, with reggae love we rise so high. Ooh yeah, we rise so high. Sway left, sway right, let the firelight glow. Dance in the moonlight, take it slow. Hearts beat in time with the tide. Island magic we can't hide. Let's ride the breeze, just you and me. No clocks, no plans, just be free. Island dreams and ocean skies. With reggae love we rise so high. Yeah, yeah, we rise so high. No stress, no fight, just peace tonight. Island breeze and the stars so bright. This is life, just you and me on this wave of harmony. Ooh yeah, we rise so high. No stress, no fight, just peace tonight. Island breeze and the stars so bright. This is life, just you and me on this wave of harmony. If you listen deep, you'll hear the truth just sent in the whispers in the wind. Me sit beneath the old fig tree, let the wind come speak to me. No preacher loud, no city sound, just sacred breath upon this ground. The leaves them talk in ancient code. Me feel your presence down this road. No need for show, no need for spin. Your voice comes slow in the wind, the whispers in the wind. Truth so clear, Jah call our soul come trot here. No vanity, no worldly din, just wisdom flow from deep within. Yes, I me hear Jah whispering. Some search eye with telescope, but Jah live close in breath and hope. Me knock on tower to find the king. Me kneel and listen to what breeze bring. Them trust man-made philosophy. Me trust what grow naturally. Me spirit fed by roots and sky, by every hush when birds fly by. Whispers in the wind, calm and wise, floating down from Zion skies. No drum of war, no money spin, just gentle song from deep within. Ooh, Jah, my soul now sing. Let the rhythm slow, let the wind just blow, let the Nyabinghi roll below. Jah speak soft and I'm on grow. So if you're lost and feel no way, just sit in silence, let Jah stay. Close your eyes, feel every leaf, let every breeze bring you relief. It not come through screen or stage, but through the trees like sacred page. And when you're ready, you will find the whispers shape your heart and mind. Whispers in the wind, soft but strong, been singing since creation song. No need for rush, no need for spin, Jah message ride the evening wind. Yes, Jah, me trod within. Me no need crowd or sound system. Me hear Zion on the rhythm. Whispers forever listen.
Flow, not outside, but deep within the river.
across the heat. Still my soul stay cool and sweet. No matter storm or whirly roll, me carry river in my soul. It come from Jah, it never dry. It keep me steady, it lift me high. Me no need well, me no need bow. The source within, it make my whole river in my soul flow so free. Wash away the doubt in me. Me stand firm, my spirit wide. Jah water flow from deep inside. Yes, Jah, this river me guide. Me no follow the Babylon stream. It's shallow fast, full of empty dreams. My hold to flow that pure and wise, like ancient tide beneath the skies. Me chant in peace, me rest in light. Me roots go down beyond the night. No dam can block, no chain control. The freedom live in my soul. River in my soul, calm and true. Me flow with love in all me do. Me give, me grow, me overflow. Me plant good seeds where Jah wind blow. Ooh, Jah, your current still show. Let the dub wash over pain. Let the chimes fall like healing rain. Nyabinghi rolling sacred scroll. Me hear the river in my soul. So when me weary, me rest me mind. Me close me eyes, the stream me find. It sing no song, but still it speak. It make the strong, it lift the weak. Me carry water